adofo eye ken ofori ata anasema kwa kodi eye the Virginia court no siasa fra ba beto on say United States of America ana sisia no wate nchiremu abeto dwa amankasa TV enya ansa aka ne say oyare ama oje no ho ayarehwe na em say emra was all the tena eye enyinesi abrochima mu ayi the United States of America Virginia no achayi pa nte emra no asom na we anaka one ne lawyer ekosiki eye asalam na ka omu di date ni bi aka ho na mom ko eye court no eye judge aye friend no eye judge akadem enyade a otiase siki asalam no ema no say onko ne krom na onkonkotoa eye nyuma so ewiase yesi bebia be ye odekra enti se wosayam ehonye dekra wa na atafre enti ebusua judge aye friend no eye academy awo the Virginia court no anyade osiki asalam no ema eye ken ofuriata na mom asanso epamo no se onfiri eye United States of America
because I have taken it personal. I want to see this crook back in Ghana to face reality. And I'm angry with him for one very important reason. Come and account for your tenure of office. Your uncle, the president, is here. Former President Nana. He's not threatened by even mosquitoes. Gabi Asariochidako, a man many people said would go to jail. My brother, my sister, is still here. Not a scratch on his skin. And this guy claims that he feels political witch hunt chasing him. For that matter, he won't come to Ghana. We have to use the laws to get him. Well, my brother, my sister, today we got news for you. There's Warungu boy, Dominic Akuritinga Ayene, PhD, schooled in America. He's been following this issue keenly. And he's making sure that nothing dribbles him. His eyes are so fixated to the case. Every move, even after dark, when he sees shadows, he's ready to take action. We went to the courts, and this was what we saw. Come here! Now, my brother, my sister, Ken Ofori-Atta arrived in court, and the judge who is sitting on his case is called David Egarde. Hey, yeah, David Egarde. Does the name ring a bell? This is the guy sitting on Ken Ofori-Atta's immigration case. He went to court to deal with his bond. As to whether they would allow him to go out of the detention center or not is going to depend on this guy. And apart from that, Ken Ofori-Atta is demanding and fighting that they keep him in America and give him legal residential status. Can I break that down? He wants to stay in the country legally, and he wants to be a resident of America. Can I tell you more? Now, this guy here, called David Egarde, has 22 years of legal experience. He's the hardest, most difficult immigration judge in the history of America. I like to deal with those years. Run the doors here, my youth. Hey! Hey! Dodo. Look at him. Judge David Egarde is a U.S. immigration judge presiding over Ken Ofori-Atta's case at the Annandale Immigration Court in Virginia. He's known for a strict, listen, evidence-driven approach, famously stating in this case that the court cannot act on assertions without proof. Hey, my brother. Now, he joined the immigration bench in August 2023, 2.5 years ago. Before becoming a judge, he spent 22 years as a federal prosecutor. And his roles included Chief of the Public Corruption, listen, and Civil Rights Unit. He hates to hear about corruption. Once he hears that this guy is here because of corruption, and he has the facts, you are finished. He also served as a special counsel to the U.S. Attorney. Jesus have mercy. He represented the president and the government of America as a judge, a lawyer. And he was the chief of the Drug Task Force Unit. Don't joke with it when it comes to drugs. And in private practice, he previously worked as a litigation associate at the elite firm Cravat, Swain and Moore LLP right there in New York, Big Apple. Where did he go to school? Notre Dame Law School. And then the almighty Yale University. Yale University, right there in my state, Connecticut. Hey, my brother, now let us look at the most dangerous part of this guy. Hey, Ken is in trouble. Big trouble. And I'm excited. Hey, he's a strict adjudicator. Now, data from the Transactional Records Access Clearinghouse track indicates that he has a significantly high asylum denial rate, roughly 81.4%, which is above all the national average. Hold it there. Do you know what that means? All the cases that come to him for people seeking asylum, they want residence. They want to stay in America because their countries are chasing them. 81% and over, he denied. Go back to your country. Whoa, you better not. Come home. 81% and over, he has denied. And the closest anybody got, the closest any judge got to denying asylum in America was 51%. Is Black Rasta explaining this properly? When it comes to denying people residence, asylum, and all that in America, he is the judge with the highest record. The one who comes second is 51%. Flip! This is the guy Ken is dealing with. Watch this. Procedural focus, legal analyst, other lawyers, and big brains. Come here. And big brains of the legal profession. This is what they are saying. They describe him as tough-minded. Tough. You see him slim like that, the team were rough. And